Have you ever asked yourself what is the secret formula of successful people? We know that being successful is actually the accumulation of many small steps and habits. Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about 5 daily habits of successful people. Let's get started. The first, start the day early. One of the core habits of successful people is that they get out of bed early. It provides them a sense of confidence to plan things ahead so that they can easily accomplish their daily tasks. They make use of this time by involving in exercise and planning the activities of the entire day. Waking up early is a productivity method, rising early and consistently so as to be able to accomplish more during the day. There are many outstanding benefits of getting up early. Besides allowing you more hours for your work, it also boosts your speed. Studies have suggested that when a person gets up early, he is more energetic and takes leisure time to do a task that would take more time otherwise. He is also more adept in taking better decisions, planning and achieving goals. That's why CEOs of top companies have a habit of waking up early in the morning. Getting up early is not something that should be followed irregularly, but it needs to be established as a routine in your life. This translates into better sleep quality as your body's internal clock adapts to your new sleep routine. Second, give value to meditation. Meditation is the habitual process of training your mind to focus and redirect your thoughts. Meditation has many physical and mental benefits, like it removes stress, controls anxiety, boosts self-awareness, and so on. A consistent meditation practice can help calm your mind and do much more for your overall health. It will help you free your mind from distractions that might disrupt your meditation. Try focusing your attention on a specific object, like a candle flame, an image, or your breathing. You can use it to increase awareness of yourself and your surroundings. People who meditate are less stressed, healthier, sleep better, and have a more positive outlook of life. Meditation makes you a happier person. You can practice meditation whether you're sitting, lying down, walking, or in other positions or activities. Just try to be comfortable so that you can get the most out of your meditation. You should also be wearing comfortable clothes. Meditation is known to enhance the flow of constructive thoughts and positive emotions. Even a few minutes spent meditating regularly can make a big difference. Take a second to smash the like button and subscribe down below. The third one. The love to read. A lot. When was the last time you read a book or a substantial magazine article? The best thing you can do for your brain today requires minimal money, space, and time. Just pick a good book. Most do not read for entertainment. They prefer biographies, history, and self-help books. It is one of the most common habits of successful persons. Most, if not all, of the successful people have the habit of reading. The simple, mindful action of reading can make you more empathetic, less stressed, not to mention smarter, all in one go. Just like any other muscle in your body, the brain requires exercise to keep it strong and healthy. So the phrase, use it or lose it, is particularly apt when it comes to your mind. Everything you read fills your head with new bits of information, and you never know when it might come in handy. The more knowledge you have, the better equipped you are to tackle any challenge you'll ever face. Legendary investor and self-made billionaire Warren Buffett says that reading has been the most crucial habit he's developed. Reading helps them think better and learn something new every day. It is hard to disagree that learning something new every day definitely makes you better. Fourth, spend time on focused thinking. Ever get really stuck on something while studying? Focused thinking is what it sounds like. Conscious, focused thought. Focused thinking is the most alerted state of your mind because it allows your brain to concentrate at its best by removing all the distractions. when we are in our focused mode of thinking, it's like we have a one-track mind for the matter at hand. Distractions don't exist. Whether we are practicing a specific skill like free throws or slogging through a specific math problem, focused thinking allows us to zoom directly on the most passionate information. Focus can bring energy and power to almost anything, whether it's physical or mental. Instead, focus your energies on your number one priority. Put non-productive time wasters on hold so that you can create thinking time for yourself. Most of the successful people have a regular habit of focused thinking for around 30 minutes, during which they think regarding all the essential aspects like health, relationship, business, and so on, so they can analyze everything in a better way. Fifth, make exercise a priority. How can you become successful if you have no plan for dealing with stress? Successful entrepreneurship requires more than just mental fitness. It requires physical fitness as well. Doing exercise on a daily basis, or at least 4 to 5 times a week, not only help them enhance their memory and mental sharpness, but also enable them to increase their creativity. You can start slowly and find ways to fit more physical activity into your life. To get the most benefit, you should try to get a recommended amount of exercise for your age. You don't have any time for it. Make everyday activities more active. Even small changes can help. You can take the stairs instead of the elevator. Walk down the hall to a co-worker's office instead of sending an email. Park farther away from your destination. If you can do it, the payoff is that you will feel better, help prevent or control many diseases. Clearing your mind and challenging yourself physically with a tough workout every day prepares you for the daily challenges of business. Thank you for watching Future Self-Made Billionaires. Be sure to subscribe because more useful content is on the way.